Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video of me showing you some items that I've received from small business owner. And I'm super excited about this video in particular because a lot of these products are from Black owned businesses. So I'm going to be unboxing, showing you guys some of the items that I've received, and all of the items that I've shown in this video, I'm going to link them down in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so this package here is from Regina Edwards. Let's see. Oh, it says Urban Barbie Boutique. So her garments come in a garment bag. And then she has her card in here. She got it wrapped up with her custom stickers. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is a two-piece romper, like a, not a romper, but like a two-top with the shorts. And it says pretty and paid. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's gonna be cute. Look at that. I have my little sisters in the background trying to figure out what they gonna take from me. Because this is cute. So this one is another one. This one says pretty and paid as well. And this is the pink version. So let me show you guys. This here, and this material is like super soft, and then these are the shorts, so it comes with like biker shorts. This is cute. I'm gonna have to try this on at the end. Okay, so next box I have here some Ashley Bird, and this is the inside. Fucking up.
This is hello.
Stuff falling out. Look at that. She has a nice little cute, I think this is a note for me. Let's see. Oh yeah, it says Creator Life, thank you so much for the product review. We are truly appreciative of the support. Enjoy, Ashley and Robert, which are the owners of her Bird Nest brand. So this is that here. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Body scrub. Let me see how. This smells so good. Okay, so here's one of the shirts that I got. It says beautiful, really cute tank top. So this is the other shirt I have that says creative, out of the box thinking. This is really cute. This is probably one of my favorite shirts. And then here we have like this scented roller, like oil scented roller. And it has like all the roses and petals in here. You can just roll it on your wrist. That smells good. It's minty. And it comes with a little baggie that you could put it in. Alrighty, so that is it from the Bird Nest. Alright, so this is a package from Queen 71. That is the name of the brand. Alright, so they have a business card here, and I really like the way these business cards are made. It's kind of like a credit card with all the information for the social media. And then we have another thank you note. It says, hey Queen, thank you for your time and review. Much success to you and your business. Be blessed. And it says Queen 71. So this is really nice. And then it's wrapped up, and then it says hey Queen here with their logo. So let's see what's in here. I have these really cute workout leggings. Super cute. Oh, he even put a face mask in here, and it's reversible. So you got one side with a nice cute print, and this one's more like an African inspired print on the other side. And then this one is a crop top. So this one was one of my favorites. So I remember seeing this on the website in particular, and I did request this. So this is something that it's like made with mesh material. So this is something I could put over a tank top, even put on if I'm working out. And I don't have to worry about being too hot. So this is really cute. We have this cute cropped shirt, which has a nice little cutout in the back. And it has more of like a cheetah print. If you guys can kind of see, it has like this nice little texture to it. So this is cute. This is super cute. That was cute. Got my mama. Alright, so I have a package here from Craft Out Loud. And they made me two custom shirts, and this one says self-made. Really like this shirt here. And then I have this other shirt, which is one of my favorites, and it says Dr. Fashion. And this is super, super cute. And this is from Craft Out Loud. So she does a lot of custom shirts. Any kind of print or anything that you need on your shirts, she can do that for you. And she has tons and tons of colors that you can choose from. So thank you. This is cute. So I have this package from E.Expression. She has like a lot of different things on her website. She has artwork, she has t-shirts, and she has a lot of different things. She also does like spoken word, so she has bookings and things for that. So she has this custom shirt. It says, "Dear Black Man, you are enough," and this is like super cute. Like, this is so cute. And so I'm going to have the link down below if you guys want to purchase this shirt in particular. And then I'll have a link to her website as well. So the next item I have is this really cute painting that I chose off her website. So she has like this beautiful black woman with a head wrap. The hair is shaped like Africa, and then she has these roots coming from the bottom. So when you go to E.Expression's website, you're going to see a lot of different artworks. You're going to see a lot of different artworks for t-shirts. And she just have a variety of different things that you can choose from. So I'm going to leave the link down below for her website. You can go ahead and check it out. And check out this piece. This is probably one of my favorites. So next I have these really, really smell good scrubs from Luvable Scrubs. I chose 4 different scents. I have lavender. I have like a lemonade, strawberry I believe. And I have something that's minty and like coffee smell. And I did try out some of these scrubs. Once you try it, it makes your skin feel really, really soft. And what I love about her scrubs is they are all handmade items. She makes all of her scrubs at home, and she ships them out in these really cute packaging. So I'm going to leave her Instagram, which is Luvable_Scrubs. You can go ahead and check her out, and her website is LuvableScrubs.com. So make sure you go ahead and check the link. Moving on to our next item, I have this hair product from More Essentials. So she wrote a letter that was included in the package, and it says, "Dear Brittany, thank you for taking the time to review More Essentials. I am so happy to work with you and have the opportunity to share my black owned business with you and your platform. Please enjoy our Itch Be Gone Scalp Cleanser. I know you will love it, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Love and Light, Shay," which is the owner of More Essentials. So in the package she gave me this product that she created. Is vegan, cruelty free, and then it's organic. And this is really good. It's like a cleanser, but it's also really good if you have itchy scalp or super dry scalp. It has directions on the back of how to use it. It has all the ingredients in case you may be allergic to anything. She lists all of that here. She has a lot of different other hair products that you can choose from, but this is one of her newer products that is on her website. So if you check the bottle, she has all her social medias and her website listed here, which is Love More Essentials, and then her website is LoveMoreEssentials.com. So go ahead, check out her website, check out all her different products, because she has a lot of different hair products that you can choose from, and a lot of them are cruelty free and vegan. So the next product I have is from Leah Carey, and I believe these are the resistant bands. So let's see here. Okay, so yeah, these are from, see, Hungry to Be Fit, and it says Hungry to Be Fit. So that's the name of the brand. So they have like different products that you can use to incorporate into your workout. So they have some gears that you can check out on their website. So she has some flyers here and all her business cards and this elastic band here. And then these are the 2 resistant bands that I chose. It's like they do have prints on them. And then it has her logo on the front here. So I'm definitely going to try these out. These are really good. Seem like really great quality, super tough. So this card was included in the package, and it says, "Thank you." She says, "Brittany, I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to market my resistant bands. This is part of my business. I am still learning how to do this properly. Such a blessing. I hope you enjoy them. The white ones are heavy resistant, and the black one are medium resistant. So thank you so much." And then she put Leah Carey in her signature. So thank you for the resistance band. I'm gonna definitely try them out, and I'll probably be doing a video on my Instagram stories just to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of me incorporating the resistance bands into my fitness routines. Okay, so I have another package from My African. That is the name of the brand. You can check out her Instagram, which is @myafrican, and then her Facebook is @myafrican, and I'm gonna leave the links down below. So when you get your package, she has cards that she includes in the package, and then she also has information of all the materials that is used for the garments that she includes in your order. So when you open it up, let's see. So she has this like Africa t-shirt, and she have like different prints that you can choose from, and she stitches this all the way around, incorporating some of the elements of like African fashion. So this is the shirt. This is super cute. So next package here is from Noor Gold Products. It says, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I appreciate you a ton. She also included a discount code for me. You can check out the Instagram, which is Noor Gold Products, and the website is noorgoldproducts.com. And so when you open the package, it has like this little flyer here of all the products that are available on their website. A lot of the products are all natural and organic. She has hair growth boosting oil. She has shampoo, conditioner, and also African soap, and a lot of stuff like cosmetics and things for your hair. She has lip balm. It's a little bit of everything cosmetic related. And so some of the items that she gave me, I have like this body scrub, a exfoliating body scrub and face scrub here. So this smells like cinnamon, brown sugar. It smells like something that you would actually eat. It smells really, really sweet. And she has these products in these little gold bags, which is super cute with her logo and information on the front. And then I have like this African black soap. So you can see that here. And then next I have another product in here. And then this one is our organic skincare. This is really good for blemishes, dark spots, acne, blackheads, and scars, and just everything. And then she has like her products here. And mind you, this is organic and all natural. So definitely check her out. I'm going to leave the link down below. Next package here, this person included a really nice card. That's there. I have this really cute thank you card, and it's from Busy Bee Naturals. And so in the card it says, thank you so much for your support. We hope you enjoy the products. Let us know what you think. Love, Bee. And so this is the business card that comes with it, with all the social media information. You can check out their website at, well, you can go to their Instagram, which is Busy Bee Naturals, and then the Facebook is Busy Bee Naturals as well. I'm going to leave that link down below. So in the products, of course, it comes with everything that you ordered. So it has your order form here. So I have the lavender and honey foaming sugar scrub. So I'm going to open this and see what this smells like. Oh, nice. It actually smells really, really good. This bath bomb here. So you can see that up close. And then we also have this body butter. So it's kind of like the set for the other one. So I have the foaming sugar scrub, and then I have the lavender and honey body butter, which is supposed to make your skin like super soft, super nice, and really moisturized. So this is what it looks like, and it's the same color as this one here. And the finale. This is the final box after unboxing all of these products.
Why would
Okay.
you buy?
Is this our video or mine? And in the package, they sent me 6 different candles, and then they include a care card that tells you how to take care of your candle. They also have their social media and the website, so you can visit their website at www.unwindcandleco.com, and their Instagram and Facebook is the same. I'm going to leave the links down below. And so when you get your candle, it's going to be wrapped like this. They have this really cute golden ribbon around it. Also, there's sticker here with their logo and stuff. And then they also have these matches that they include, which is really cute. And it has their name on the front, so it's like these custom matches. I already opened up 5 of the 6 candles. So I have one here called Vacation. She has really cute names for each of her candles. And mind you, she just released this collection for her candles on her website. So this one smells really good. It says orange, fresh, citrus, lime, and berry. And then I have another one. This is probably one of my favorites, called Dirty Laundry. It has kind of like a baby powder smell. And then I have this one here called Flued Out. And this one is with citrus, fruity musk, vanilla, and some other ingredients. And then I have gray sweatpants, and then bougie AF. And this one smells like baby powder also, but it's like more lemony. It's like lemon, white tea, lily, and vanilla. I haven't opened the last one. I'm going to do a review for that on my Instagram. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave all my social media links down below. I'm also going to be including a lot of these products on my website blog, which is fashionlife.com. So if you want to check those out and read some of my thorough full review on a lot of these products, you can go ahead and check out my blog. Also, I'm going to be sharing some of these items on my Instagram story, and as I mentioned before, my Facebook, and I think that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved all of the products in this video. I'm going to be taking photos of some of the outfits that I've received, and you're going to be seeing like a lookbook of some of the looks that I put together. And so other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check the links down below. Check out the website. Support small Black businesses. And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!